Hello children, how are you? Now, today I am going to start chapter ratio and proportion. What is ratio? Ratio, the ratio of x and y or that of x and y is expressed as x ratio y. X ratio y. This is the sign of ratio. Now read as x to y and x and y are called the terms of the ratio. Here, x is the first term or it is called antecedent, and y is the second term, it is also called consequent. X by y, what you will read? First term by second term. So the first term is called antecedent and the second term is called consequent. Similarly, you can write it 3:5. What is this? You can write it 3:5, 3 by 5. So 3 is called antecedent and 5 is called consequent. Now rules what you write? Rules are ratio does not have any unit. A ratio does not have any unit. A ratio should be expressed in the lowest term or simplest form. A ratio, once more listen. A ratio should be expressed in the lowest term or simplest form. Okay, understood? Now I am going to solve some questions related with ratio and proportion. Now first question is there. Find the ratio of, please listen, first question, find the ratio of 30 to 50. It means this 30 ratio 5, it is not a ratio. 30 ratio 5, how can you solve? So you write 30 by 50. As I have given first rules, always write in lowest form. So 1 0 cancel, and now you can write it 3:5. It is the lowest form. So 3:5 is your answer. Understood now? Now second type of question. Find the ratio. Find the ratio of 144 and 288. See this one. 144 and 288. What did you write? 144 by 288. Now, see this one. This both is divisible by 2. 72 and what you will write? 1, 4. Both the number lowest term you have to do. Again to 36, again 72. Now again to 18, what you will write? 36. Again to 9, what you will write? 18. Now 9, then you will divide 9 with 18. So 9 is divisible by 9. So 1 and then 18 you will divide it. 9, what it will come? 2. It means 1 by 2. So the simplest form what you will write? 1:2. So this is your answer. It is clear, understood now? Now third type of questions. Divide rupees 120 in the ratio of 2:3. Listen, what is question? Third type of question. Divide rupees 120 in the ratio of 5:7. Please listen. Divide rupees 120 in the ratio of 5:7. So now sum of amount what you will write? Sum of amount what you will write? It is given rupees 120. What is given? 120. And sum of the ratio. So sum of ratio, it is given 5:7. Means 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 7, what is there? My dear children, what you will write? Well, you will write. Now first part. First part is equal to what you will write? First part is 5. And sum of the ratio 12, so divide it. And total money of into rupees 120. 120. Then you will divide with 12. What it will come? 10 will come. It means first part is rupees 50. Now, second part. What you will write? Second part is 7. 5:7. It means first part is 5, right? Second part is 7. So 7 is right. And the sum of total ratio, what is there? 12. 5 plus 7 12. And into total money is there? Rupees 120. 120 if you will divide with 12, what it will come? 10 will come. 10 into 7. What is the product? Rupees 70. It is clear, understood? Now this question you can solve. Another method as a x you can take. What is that one to? Sum of the amount is 120. Now 7:5. The ratio is 7:5. So what you do? Sum of the ratio. 5:7 you can take x. So 5x plus 7x is equal to what is there? 5x plus 7x. What will be there? 12x. Now, according to question, please listen, according to question, total money is 112 or not? It means 12x is equal to 120. Unit must be written, so rupees 120. X is equal to what it will write? Rupees 120 by 12. Now, 10 rupees 10. What it will come? Rupees 10. So first part now write. First part. What is first part? 5x. What is first part? 5x. So 5x means 5 into and the value of x rupees 10. Rupees 10. So you will write rupees 50. Understood? Now second part. What is there? 7x. 7x. So 7 into what is the value of x? 10. Rupees 10 is equal to rupees 70. 70 plus 50. Both the part you add. 70 plus 50. 120 is there. Answer is clear. Understood? It is easy or difficult? Now you decide. Thank you. Now next question. You will say sir, only 2 parts or 3 parts? 4 parts. How many parts? That is not the problem. Only problem is there. How to add, subtract and division. These 3 terms we are using: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division is there. Now, another type of question is there. Divide rupees 2400. Divide rupees 2400 in the ratio of 3:5:7. What is question? Divide rupees 2400 in the ratio of 3:5:7. Here again you will write sum of amount is equal to what you will write? rupees 2400. Okay, now sum of the ratio, sum of the ratio, sum of the ratio. X want to take or directly want to solve, both method is same. So you can take 3x, 3 ratio means 3x, 5 ratio 5x plus 7x. What is that? 15x. Okay. Now according to questions, 15x equal to rupees 2400. 2400. What is the value of x? So you will do division, rupees 2400 by 15. See this one. It is divisible by 3 both. First term also and second term also. By 3. So 3 then you will divide, it will become 5 and it is 800. What it is coming? 800. Now 800 also divisible by 5. What you will write? 16. 160 rupees 160. Now here 3 part is telling. How many part is there? 3 part. So first part, what you will write? First part. First part. That is equal to 3x. 3x equal to what you will write? 3. And what is the value of x? By putting the value x here, rupees 160 is equal to rupees 480. 160 into 3, 480. Okay. Now this is first part. Now second part. Second part. Value of second part. What you will write? 5x. 5x is equal to what you will write? 5. And what is the value of x? Rupees 160. Equal to what you will write? 160 into 5. 16 into 5. 80. So rupees 800. Rupees 800. Now third part. What you will do third part? The value of third part and third part. Third part. The third part what is there? 7x. 7x is equal to the value of x what is given? 160. So 7 into rupees 160 is equal to 16 into 7, 112 rupees 112 and 10 you will write. And this 2400 is coming, then correct. Otherwise it is wrong. It is clear? Understood now? Now I am coming on exercise 1. Exercise 1, same ratio and proportion is there. You have to see the portion first. Exercise number 1. Exercise 1A. Exercise 1A. First portion is there. Express the following ratios in the simplest form. As I have given instruction. Always ratio you will write in simplest form or lowest term. So 105 ratio 231. Now what you will write, my dear students? You will write 105 by 231. Both the number is divisible by 3, right? So you will write 35 here and here what you will write? When you will divide 231 by 3, 77 will come. Now see this one. What it will come? 77. Both the number. Now it is not divisible by 2, not divisible by 3, not divisible by 5. Then what will prime number will come? 7. 7 then divide 35 we will divide with 7. Then it will come 5 and then 77 it will divide with 7 it will come 11. So the simplest form 5:11. What you will write? 5:11. Understood? Now first I have done. This is the question. First. Now second. Question number second. Fourth I am going to solve. The question is here 3 minutes 10 seconds to 1 minute 40 seconds. Dear children, first you must know I have given instruction. Try to change into same minute. Here minute is there, second is there. Here also minute is there, second. You have studied 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So what we will do? 3 into 60 will write. 3 into 3 minutes is equal to 3 into 60 seconds and plus 10 seconds divided by 1 minute. 1 into 60 seconds you will write and plus 40 seconds. What is there? S for second. S for second. So 60 into 3. 60 multiplied by 3. 180 plus 10 is equal to 190 seconds. What is this? 90 seconds. And 60 plus 40. 60 into 160 seconds plus 40 seconds. You will write 100 seconds. So second should be considered second minute is there. As I have given instruction, the simplest form the ratio you are writing. You are going to write ratio in simplest form. There is no unit. So what you will write? 19 by 10 means 19 ratio 10. This is your answer. Please listen. First, what you will do? The minute you will change into second. After that, simplify answer. This is the second question. Now question number first and second I have done. Now question number I am going to solve. Question number 10. Tell you two numbers are in the ratio of 4:5. This one. Two numbers is there. And their sum is, first you write sum of the number. Sum of the number. Sum of the number. Sum of the number. Question number 10. It is given in board. Sum. Their sum is 100. Sum of their number. Sum of the number equal to 180. What is this? 180. And sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio. That is 4:5 means you can write it 4x plus 5x is equal to what you will write? 9x. What you will write? 9x. Now according to question you can write it 9x is equal to 180. 9x is equal to 180. So x is equal to what you will write? 180 by 9. 9 then you will divide 18. 18 you are going to divide which 9? The 2 will come, 1 0 right, 20. So first part that is equal to 4x equal to what is the value of x? 20. So 4 into 20 is equal to what you will write? 80. And second part you will write 5x. So 5 into 20 is equal to 100. See this one, both the number at 180 came or not? Okay. Now this question you can solve from book. I will send you questions. You try to solve and later on if you have any problem you ask. Thank you for it.